I'll put the new one in today. Get that in there. Get it ready for rego. The car's been out of rego for over a month now. Because I was trying to scrape money up to buy that new power steering rack. Yeah. Exactly the same. Yep, that's what you're supposed to do. Get your new one, get your old one, line it up, make sure everything's exactly the same. Yep, it is. I'll go have something to eat first, then lay some plastic down, get my tools out, and start hooking it all up. Yeah. And I'll make another video when I got it in there.